Do you struggle to capture subscription and order information and create flexible billing across usage, SaaS, and professional services revenue streams? Do you have to work to manage add-ons and revenue recognition while meeting ASC 606 accounting guidelines? Do you get timely reporting and forecasts on billing, revenue, and cash, as well as critical SaaS metrics to make the right decisions on how to grow? As a high-growth SaaS company, Sage Intacct faced many of these same challenges. We built a solution to meet the subscription billing, accounting, and reporting needs for subscription companies like yours. Perhaps the best way to explain it is with an example. Meet Carla, the CFO of a B2B SaaS company that serves customers on a subscription basis. Like any subscription business, they focus on building customer relationships over time. They need to stay flexible in how they package and price offerings for acquiring new customers and growing existing relationships. With complexities like multi-element arrangements, billing on included units plus usage, and midterm add-ons, Carla's staff had a deep pile of manual work and spreadsheets in their sales workflow and accounting processes. These non-scalable workarounds and spreadsheets not only limited growth, but slowed their financial close and inhibited forecasting the future. With the need for another round of funding right around the corner, they had to chart a clear path to growth and execute on it. Carla identified 3 hurdles standing in their way: accuracy of information, speed of information, and clear insight. When they searched for a solution, they found that G2 had named Sage Intacct the top B2B subscription revenue management solution. A closer look at Sage Intacct revealed a subscription, contract-driven business management solution that aligned with their focus on building valuable customer relationships over time. Sage Intacct Contract and Revenue Management brings all the information about the customer into one place, the subscription contract. Because they received deal and contract information through several channels, they needed flexibility as well as information accuracy in the sales workflow. Self-service sales came in through the company's own web portal that they integrated through Sage Intacct Web Services. No data re-entry here. For complex contracts, like a recent white label deal, Carla and the finance team are able to enter contract details and terms directly into Sage Intacct. Through the front office, salespeople can enter contracts using Salesforce and Salesforce CPQ, then use a native integration to post to Sage Intacct without re-entering any information. They even have conversations with finance staff across Salesforce Chatter, which syncs with Sage Intacct Collaborate, storing the conversation in both Salesforce and Sage Intacct. Being tightly integrated with Salesforce on a single contract from sales to finance, automation streamlines all the processes, accounting, and reporting through the revenue lifecycle that runs throughout the relationship with the customer. With the deal securely entered, Sage Intacct subscription billing and revenue recognition take over automating accounting tasks to increase the speed of reporting. Integrated with the item catalog in Salesforce, billing schedules generate bills as defined in the contract by product line item, eliminating the mad rush at the end of each period to close and bill. Usage billing that used to be computed in spreadsheets and then manually entered now gets added automatically to the bill, rolling in through Sage Intacct Web Services. When an add-on shows up in the middle of the contract term, the system aligns it with the current contract so that it gets billed with the rest of the subscription and ends at the same time. Everything is ready for renewal together and the customer only has one bill to deal with. Throughout this process, automated revenue recognition eliminates manual processes and keeps the company compliant with changing revenue guidelines. In fact, when it was time to change over to ASC 606 revenue recognition rules, Carla had real-time side-by-side multi-book comparisons of how the old and the new rules affect reported revenue. Carla's reports to the board provide clearer insights than ever, thanks to Sage Intacct's drillable dashboards and reports. The digital board book leads out with essential metrics, including real-time SaaS metrics like CMRR and churn, that show whether company performance aligns with its operational model. They drill down to get at the numbers behind the summary in the dashboards. Billing, revenue, expense, and cash forecasts show exactly where the company is heading. The CFO breaks out financial and managerial reports by contract, customer, item, or any other chosen dimension to clearly see performance deal by deal. Carla now shows real-time information with confidence and gains consensus on critical financial decisions. In summary, Carla's company adopted pricing and packaging flexibility, unified the front office and back office, and eliminated manual processes around getting deals over to accounting. They automated complexities around billing, add-ons, and revenue recognition, and instantly became ASC 606 compliant, increasing their valuation. Thanks to dimensions, dashboards, and in-depth reporting, they gained unparalleled insight into financial and operational metrics to accelerate growth. By centering lead to revenue recognition around the financial relationship with the customer, they now enjoy sophisticated subscription revenue lifecycle management, forecasting, and metrics, along with the cash they got from their second round of funding. See how you can take control in your growing subscription business by scheduling a live demo of Sage Intacct today.